let's cook one of my favorite Jamaican dish, which is rice and peas. Here I have some kidney beans. To cook this, you need to put water over this and let it soak for a couple of days. Keep changing the water. And then after that, strain it off, and then you get the gas release out of the peas. So to cook this, I'm gonna add the peas in. Fresh thyme, garlic cloves, bit of ginger, coarse sea salt. I'm gonna add a liter of water over this, and I'm gonna let it boil. So I'm just gonna cook half of what I've just done. I'm gonna add a bit of onion to it. Adding also a bit of black pepper. About half glass or half cup of coconut milk. Just season it a bit. Bit of Himalayan salt. Now with this you can either use a basmati rice or long grain, whichever rice you choose to. I'm gonna add some basmati to this one. So make sure to give it a couple stir, otherwise the rice gonna stick in the bottom. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a bit of spring onion to it. Then I'm going to put the lid on and just let it steam. What I'm doing now, and I'm allowing it to steam, because cooking food like this takes time. And you have to have patience. Give you a peek. Look at that. You can hear the sound of the water drying out. And this. So a couple more minutes and it's good to go. So this is ready. I'm gonna turn the gas off. So all you need to do is just get a fork